People think that blind people don't want to come out into the countryside because when you can't see, what's the point? But the fact that we can't see, we are so curious and we love to use all our senses to make the countryside come alive. Hi, my name is Amir Latif. I'm the president of the Ramblers. I'm the founder and director of Travel Eyes, and I'm a TV presenter. I think there's many reasons why blind people can have a better view of the countryside. I mean, firstly, because we can't see, we get sighted people to describe what's around us, and we end up building this picture. So I start with a blank canvas and then I build these pictures onto it, and it's almost like reading a book, and versus like what a sighted person sees, which is a film. And often we can agree that the book version is better than the film. But also because we're using all our senses, so you're feeling the sun on your back, you're feeling the ground beneath your feet, so you're smelling the wildflowers if it's that time of the year. So all these inputs help you to have such an incredible view of the countryside. Accessibility can be an issue. Like, it's great to know as much information you can for the walks. So for example, when I put on trips for my Travel Eyes groups, we like to have walks that have a challenge, but within reason. Like, so if it's very narrow ridges with big drops, we find some of our sighted and VIPs. So knowing what kind of terrain it is, people have different abilities, and so then we can easily make our decisions whether it's suitable for certain blind travellers.